Hello guys, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. So today I will be demonstrating the SeeDance 2.0 model. So this is actually the video generation platform. As you can see here, these are the demo videos that they have provided here. So let me show you what and all I have generated from this model. So I am going to go in this one, and as you can see here, these are few videos that I have generated. So this is the random video I have generated, and I have given some prompt, and similarly I have given this prompt as well. It's an AI futuristic videos, and I have like given some elements, many elements in this video, and this is the video that it generated. So let me enlarge it for you. So this is what I have generated, and here the best part about this video generation model is that you can actually give the ratios as well and the quality as well. So here you can see these are the start frame and the end frame that I have given, and the SeeDance 2.0, it is the model that created it, and it is generated for the 720 pixel, and the maximum second it generated is for 15 seconds. So let me show you the UI of this model. So this is a very user friendly UI. So here is the home home tab, and this is the different these videos that I have generated. So these are the few videos that is here in this tab, and here are the tools. So whatever is coming new and whatever is free trial, and it's on the way, so it is here. And this is so Minimax hub that I will be demonstrating also, and these are the images that I have actually uploaded and have gotten the video. So yes, this was about the model SeeDance 2.0. So talking about the platform, it is actually the best AI generation platform that I've came across. So previously I've used Kling as well. So I think this is one of the model that generates AI videos and along with the sounds as well. So if you see, the sound and the videos are very synchronized, and it's very good, and the quality wise it's actually good. So if we see about the quality, so let me open this for you. So this is the prompt, the detailed prompt that I have given in this video, and if you see, the color wise, the prompting wise, everything was very great, and it generated a very high quality video, I think so. So yes guys, so this was about the SeeDance 2.0 model. I think this is actually one of the best machine learning model that I have generated video from, and this is the platform Hailuo AI. So this is actually very good. So that is about this video. Thank you all for watching.